like other import sections in LoadCall, the trailer import makes it pretty fast to create a CSV spreadsheet and bring it in when you have a new third-party carrier signing on. You have a bunch of equipment that you need to load in. So let's go ahead and create a new import session like in all the other ones. And the template in this case is going to have different fields as always. So you can see you have name, carrier owner, the type, which if you come back over here, type needs to be tanker, reefer, van, or flatbed. These may be flexible depending on your organization settings. But within here, we've chosen tanker. You need to have license plate number, state, VIN, make, model, year. So once we have all of these, which I'm going to just take this test data that I've already come up with, and I'm going to bring it up here. We can export this as a CSV file. And back in LoadCall, I'm going to select that CSV file that we just created and import it in. So once in here, you can see everything mapped properly. We're going to go ahead and lock. And because there is associations, we need to go and link these up. So test carrier is not exactly spelled the same way, but if I come into here, that I can see, it was all caps instead of lowercase, which is fine. I'm going to go ahead and change that and make sure it's mapped. So let's bring in test carrier for both of those. And there will be no sub-associations. So now we're good to go. We can come in here. If we have any last minute things that we want to change in here, maybe we notice we typed in the license plate wrong or something, you can change that and update that field. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's upload this trailer. Now if we come back out, we can see that the import test trailer is going to be somewhere in here, probably on the second page. Or maybe it's on the first page, I just missed it. Oh, here it is, import test. So we can see that information right here. And if we wanted to do a replacement update to change some information on here, let's imagine that we have, we need to change, we got all the license plates wrong. The person that created the import file had everything shifted by 1. We'll go ahead and do that. So back here in the import section, we'll create a replacement session. And here in my spreadsheet, I'm going to take the import test and I'm going to put them in here. We can ignore, I kind of copied this one. It's pretty much the same. But we'll do import test is required, this name right here. And then we're going to change the license plate. It was 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to call it test, test, test. So if we download this as a CSV file and jump back over into our session here, we can choose our trailer replacement file that we just downloaded. And when we go through this, we don't need to build any sub-associations or anything. We can replace out this license plate field. So now if we go back to our import test trailer in here, we can see that it has automatically been updated. The license plate now says test, test, test instead of 1, 2, 3, 4. So handy if the information that got imported in the first place was incorrect or whatever reason or everything was off, you can come in and make bulk corrections that way pretty easily. So yeah, so that's trailers in LoadCall.